Hello to all my new humility students and parents. In this video, I want to discuss my teaching philosophy and also discuss the homework that we're going to do, okay? You have a good opportunity here to really improve your English. You might not often have the chance to have this native speaker interaction. We're going to focus on conversation and writing composition. Okay, so that's the focus of the class. And I really feel that's really valuable for students to do that. Okay, so many new students will feel intimidated though that they don't understand. So I just want to really stress, it's really okay. Don't worry about not understanding. We will use only English in the classroom, and the video homework will be it'll be too difficult. You will not understand it, okay? And that's okay. The goal of the homework is not to understand, it's to have an attitude of learning, okay? So the homework, let's talk about the homework. I'm going to assign a video to watch. It'll be 10 to 15 minutes long. I use the website VoiceTube. It's a very, very good learning tool. It has the transcripts and a dictionary functionality. So it's very, very useful for learning. And the homework is not to understand the video, it is to find 10 key words, new words to you. You're going to choose them and you're going to write them down in English, Chinese, and then the English definition. And you can find that from the Cambridge Learner's Dictionary. It's a website, it's easy to find. And I like to do this because I really feel like it's important for you to spend a little more time to write these things down, to spend time thinking about them. And so by writing down the definition, you're helping yourself to do that. So which brings me to another point is, we do this because we want to, this is how our brains work. How do you remember something? You need to review it. If you only see something once, so you see it, you learn it, but then you never see it again, it'll be difficult to remember. And at this intermediate level of English, or of anything at a higher level of learning, it's difficult to remember. You're not going to use these every day, so we need to reinforce them. And we do that by spending more time on the homework, and we will use those homework words in the class time, both for speaking, conversationally, and for writing compositions. So I don't give a score for the homework and in the class. I know this is different. I want my students, when they're writing composition, not to be worried about seeing red. If you see red, that means you're making mistakes. Great. That means you're learning and using difficult vocabulary and grammar. I want you to do that. I really want you to be trying to use difficult grammar and vocabulary to improve your English. If you're always trying to stay safe to get a good score, you're not learning. It's not about the score that I give you. This is about your English level, and you need to take it up for yourself and decide you want to learn. It's up to you. You're old enough now that it's time for you to take your own learning into your hands and decide, do you want to be successful in your life or not? It's really your choice. And I believe in this class, it's also your choice. Do you want to be successful in this class or not? It's your choice. And I leave it to you. So I hope that's helpful to understand how the class works. And again, welcome to the class. And I hope if you have any other questions, please feel free to ask. And we'll make sure that nobody's scratching their heads and doesn't know what's going on. Okay. So welcome to the class, and we'll see you in class.